Hi. So I got an interesting question the other day that I thought you might find interesting as well. The question was, will my traditional TSP withdrawals impact Medicare? Yes, that is the short and painful answer. So this is another reason why we want to do what we call strategic rollouts, which is where we reposition your retirement dollars out of traditional accounts and into Roth-like accounts. We tend to use fixed indexed annuities and or properly structured cash value life insurance to do this, right? So why does this happen? Why does your traditional TSP impact your Medicare? Well, it's a calculation called IRMAA, and basically what happens is they do a 2-year look back to determine what the cost of your Medicare is going to be, and they use your AGI, your adjusted gross income, to determine what that amount is. Well, here's the fun part. When you do a traditional TSP or 401k or IRA withdrawal, that's taxable income. So it is going to show up on the top line of your 1040, and then whatever deductions, standard deduction, or if you itemize on your taxes, then you subtract that amount from the top line, and that's going to give you your AGI, your adjusted gross income. And they look at that adjusted gross income to then determine how much of your Social Security is taxed and the cost of your Medicare. All right, here's the fun part. When you have a Roth-like account, the distributions don't show up on your taxes because you already paid the taxes. So there's no reason to include that amount on your taxable income. So bottom line, when you have taxable income, it will impact your Medicare cost and Social Security. Your TSP, IRA, 401k in the traditional accounts will be included in that taxable amount. If you have Roth-like accounts, you avoid future taxation because you've already paid taxes on that money. And that, my friends, means neither the taxes on Social Security nor the cost of Medicare are impacted when you have done a strategic rollout of those funds. I hope that's helpful. Bye.